Tap, tap, tap. What do you want? Exactly. Hey, what? Pokeball, do you think Juan's okay today? Let's just do the elimination. Elimination time! Hello, Armless team. Welcome to the elimination play. Hello. Hi. Get on with it. Fine. First safe is Dice with 3 votes. Oh yeah, I'm safe. And next safe is Sword and Burger receiving 1 vote each. I so earned that. And now it's down to the bottom 2, Pokeball and Pin. What? That's crazy. And the last one safe is... Oh. Huh. I guess there's only one way to settle this. A battle royale! Fight! You're going down, Pokeball. Ah! Yay! I've been recovered. Now it's time for the merge. What's that? This. Oh, great. I'm on a team full of armful people. Right, everyone. It's time for the second challenge. The second challenge is to control the weather. The first 2 teams with the highest rating of the coolest weather experiment will get immunity. And the last one is up for elimination. Go! Okay, team. How do we do this? Don't worry, Dice. We can just wait for the weather to change. Oh, okay. Anybody want to play video games? Okay. Fret not, fellow teammates, for I have a solution. What is it? Ow. What was that even for? Those bullets have a special chemical that should make it rain. Oh, okay. So, what do we do? This. That's just a taco. Hey, Mr. Cloud. What? Want a taco? Okay. Okay, bye. What was that? Time's up. Oh yeah, we got this in the bag. Yeah. 6 out of 10. What about you guys? Oh, I get it now. So funny. 9 out of 10. Aim taco. Oh, the irony. As long as y'all don't make it rain, you... 0 out of 10.